Blueberry Muffin Baked Oatmeal.
Hello friends, today we're gonna do something yummy, and for the first time I'm actually trying baking some oats, and we're just gonna put everything in a bowl, well, most of it on the bowl, to start the process of making it. And we're gonna leave more recommendations in the video. So if you're into eating healthy, this is for sure a healthy option and a way to eat your oatmeal.
All right, so we're getting started with the recipe. Right now you start with 1.5 cups of your milk of choice. I'm using oatmeal, then 1 teaspoon of vanilla for flavor, and also you want to add 1/2 cup of almond butter. Almond butter is really a good choice because it has healthy fats, and the amount that we're putting on this recipe is really good. Then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of maple syrup, one of my favorites too, and it's gonna add so much flavor and just that sweetness too. You mix it up a little bit, and then you're gonna add 2 cups of oats. So here you go, you add the 2 cups of oats, and then you want to be mixing it up a little bit again to put all the ingredients together. Here my little helpers are doing a great job helping. And then we're gonna put a tablespoon of ground flax seeds and a teaspoon of baking soda. Now here I'm adding 1 cup of frozen blueberries. You can use fresh, had frozen, so I use frozen, and it tastes really great. You want to mix those up really well without really smashing them down, just a little bit of a mix. And now you're putting it into your baking pan. I'm using this one here, and it worked perfectly fine. Now set this aside while you're gonna prepare now the crumb topping. For that, you're gonna need 1/3 cup of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. You're gonna mix all that up, and it's gonna look just like that, like a crumb, which you're gonna place on top carefully. Sprinkle it around the top of your mix on the bowl that you're gonna use for the oven.
All right friends, so I have finished it up. Now it's gonna go in the oven. It looks really delicious, and I hope it turns out as I wanted, because this is very highly nutritious and it's a great option for breakfast, or for just when you feel like having something yummy, something warm, now with the cold weather. So can't wait to share how it turns out. Smells delicious, by the way. It's looking so good. Oh my goodness. I want to show you how great this looks. Look at that. It looks so good. And it smells delicious. It looks so yummy. Let's see how it tastes. It is perfect. So let me have the kiddos try it, and let's see the reaction. Tastes good. It is so good, right? Tastes like a crumble and a muffin. All right, thumbs up. Everybody give me thumbs up at the camera if you liked it. So fully recommend it. Go try it. Your kiddos will love it. You will love it. And it's just a great recipe. It's easy to make, and it's very healthy. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes that you can make for you and your family. And this is really a good option for a plant-based dessert, or just like a baked oatmeal choice. And it's really good for meal planning, because this can be put away for a couple of days and it still will be good. So enjoy.